Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 24, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 5, 7. 9th row and 10th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 7. 10th row, then column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 6, 7. Third grade, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come in any of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Tenth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 9. Column D, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 5, 9. Second row and third row and 4th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, only 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 9. Column C and 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in any of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 5 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 9. First grade, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come any of the two cells. 7th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 9, 5. Third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Third row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th grade, 5 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 8th row, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come any of the two cells. Column F, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 5. Column F, then column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column G, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Seventh row, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 7, 9. 6th grade, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth grade, only 1 numbers are remaining. 6 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 7, 8. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 7th row, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 3rd row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 6. 4th row and 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 5th grade, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 7. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 3rd row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8 and 9. 2nd row and 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. then only two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Second row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Second row, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Third row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column H, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.